Y'all saw my video on OXUS trying to make SPACs not as dead as they currently are. Actually, honestly, I'm fine that they're that dead because we can buy them so cheap, right? We're buying these warrants at ridiculously cheap prices. It's still safer than a lot of the places we're talking about, even the penny ones that are still low. How much lower are these SPACs things going to go? I don't know. I'm going to be casually moving some profits, though, from these penny plays that we're already multiplying on into things like this. Ticker FSSI. I really like this one. Here's the warrant we're looking at here. This has been out since 4 or 5 months or something. So they've been out for a while. Should have plenty of time to get some paperwork together, get some deals going. What does the chart look like? It looks like it's cheap. It's 69 cents right now for the warrant. They got a VWAP at 92 cents, 93 cents. Most people paid for it, so you're getting it way cheaper than most. It has a high of like $1.45. I'll take that. I'll take that. This dude here who joined us on OXUS, you see my video? Trader 3781 with a cool puppy dog. He said, I jumped on board with you for the OXSS. Hopefully it works out. I agree. There is a similar situation, he says, though, with one of the companies that just partnered with nkla. Hold on. Yeah, I said nkla, all right? I still think they got a future. Here's a company that we can tie that with. Regardless if you like nkla or not, I'm not invested in them currently, but there's a lot of bros who are. And if we can get some of those bros onto this one, that's a lot of money. I'll take it. So, anyways, nkla partnered with this other company called Opal Fuels. We're speculating that FSSI could be taking Opal Fuels to the stock market through its SPAC to privately owned investment firm that's running the SPAC named Fortistar. They're actually legit. The more I looked into them, it's a totally legit. I'd call it tier 2, tier 1 SPAC. Own investment firm with 7 different companies. They also have a SPAC. That's this one. Fortivar Sustainable Solutions. There's still the commons. If you can't handle any downness at all, the lowest this thing has gone was 55 cents. So it's probably about as low as it's going to go. What is your thought on that? On whether Fortistar is planning to take Opal public through its own SPAC to get the capital to build out the fueling stations? So, what is Opal? Let's backtrack. Opal is hydrogen, gas, ESG, green infrastructure play. It's real. It's legit. They're coming out with fueling stations they always need more money when you're doing new growth stuff. Here's proof of all that. nkla and Opal Fuel signed agreements for hydrogen fueling stations. Huge. So we compare those together, massive. Forbes even has an article. Terra Nikola may be getting back on track. With help from Opal Fuels, a provider of renewable natural gas. In April, it formed a hydrogen pipeline alliance in Europe with commercial vehicle maker Iveco and natural gas distributor of OGE. So there's that. I have no idea what that is too. Here's the deal on this one. That's about as far as I got. I have no idea. None of us have any idea if we have a decent idea, but we don't know if 100% sure they're going to grab Opal Fuels. What I like to find out is, number one, is it cheap still? Yes, ticks. It's professional, it's legit, it's cheap. But even if it's not Opal Fuels, would I still be good to go? Is my money still safe? My guess is yeah. Because look at this. Here's some of the other companies that Fortistar, this is just their regular website that they invest in. The first one's Opal, so they're hyping that one. Opal Fuels. I hope it's Opal. Great, we'll take it. But the second one, I was like, I'll take this one too. Ambri Batteries for Clean Energy developed and commercialized a new long-duration battery technology that will enable widespread use of reliable blah, blah, blah. MIT is on it. Biotech, Braven, True Energy, carbon-free. See what I'm getting at? I don't see how this thing, worst case scenario, how will this warrant, I'd say worst case scenario goes to 85 cents. If we can go from 70 cents to 85 cents, that's still a great gain with a protected bottom. It's kind of one of those no-brainer ones if you look at it, if you ask me. Awesome team. The team looks legit. Any other connections y'all know about this one? This one's still new to me. Thank you, Mr. Trader 3781 on StockTweets. Join our Discord, by the way, we have. Join our Patreon. That's how you get there. The best legit group of people out there if you're serious about multiplying money. If you wouldn't mind sharing this video with your friends, I don't care if you wait till after you buy it, but I should get these out before I buy it. If that means anything to you. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you out there later.